Number base dey come out for maths exams every single year. No fear am, because I go break am down for you in a very simple way. Follow me now so that you no go miss the next exam video, and share this video to help other students. This question wey dey here now na WAEC question on number base. They say make we find the value of x from this equation. Anytime when you get equation when e get different bases, like in this case 23 get base x and 32 get base 5, you go convert each of them to base 10, then you go later equate them since they dey equal to themselves. So make we start by converting 23 base x to base 10. Anytime you want to convert any number to base 10, you go write powers for on top of the number. So you go start from 0, then 1. If the number continue, you will continue like that. So in this case now, our first number na 2. That's why we go say 2 times the base of the deal with na x. That's why we go say 2 times x raised to the power of 1 in this case, since na the first one we deal with, plus the second number na 3 times the base na x raised to the power of 3 when be 0 in this case. So 2 anything raised to power 1 na that same thing. So x raised to power 1 will still give us x. So we'll get 2 times x plus anything raised to power 0 na 1. That's why we'll get 3 plus 3 times 1. So 2 times x na 2x. Then 3 times 1 na 3. So we don't solve the first one, finish with that. We'll pick the second one, maybe 32 base 5. So the same way we write 0 1 on top equals to the first number na 3. 3 times 5 raised to the power of 1, since na the first one we deal with, plus the next number na 2 times the base when be 5 raised to the power of 0. So the next thing now be say 5 raised to power 1 na 5. That's why we still get 3 times 5 plus anything raised to power 0 na 1. That's why we'll get 2 times 1 for here. So 3 times 5 na 15. 15 plus 2 na 17, because 2 times 1 na 2. So everything for here now will give you 17. So like we talked before, now we equate the two numbers, so between 3 base x equals to 32 base 5, because now so they give us for the question. So this time around now, I no go write 23 base x again. I go write 2x plus 3, since now waiting to give us with that. 2x plus 3 equals to, I no go write 32 base 5 again. Instead I go write 17, since now waiting to give us with that. You go observe now, say this one on a linear equation, and we don't learn how to solve linear equation. We will collect like terms, number will go meet number. So if this plus 3 crossover now, it go turn to minus 3. So it go turn to 2x equals to 17 minus 3. So it will be 2x equals to 14. From here now, you go divide both sides by the coefficient of x, when be 2 in this case. Divided by 2. 2 cancel 2. You go see say x there equals to 7. So you go see say your answer now na option A. You don't solve and finish with that too. Now when you don't sabi number base, share with others so that others too go sabi am. So you now, you go try this one, drop your answer for comment section. Other videos when we don't post, when I already post for number bases, now how to convert from one base to base 10, from base 10 to another base, from one different base to another different base, how to solve the equation. Now this one we just finish now. So check my page so that you go watch all these other videos. Then for my page again, go see other videos when go help you for maths well. Remember to follow me, share, like, comment so that you will see more videos like this. Oh yeah, no fear maths, Science Prof got you.